What's going on, guys? We got Decelation, Brian.
What's up, peeps?
Today we're on the F350 Dually. So it's exhaust time. We're gonna fix that dangly mess that you guys saw under here. Let's see. Yeah, this little thing, it's all dangly and stuff. And we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna put a real exhaust on it. All right. So we've already just figured out what the socket is on the exhaust clamp back here. What size was that?
7/16.
7/16. So 7/16 on the exhaust clamp. You can barely see it. It's right back on the back side of the turbo. And then Brian got that loose, and I get to climb under the truck. So stay tuned and watch us go to work. Welcome back, guys. We had to go get a Sawzall because cutting that piece of metal was not happening with the tools I had. So we got a beef one. Yeah. But just to give you a heads up, that's some thick metal. So have a Sawzall with a thick metal blade on hand, because yeah, it needs to happen. All right, stay tuned, guys. Hopefully get this off to get this downpipe off, and then we'll put the new exhaust. Welcome back, guys. So last night this got a little hectic. We were running short on time, so we actually had to stop filming and just put it together and get it done. So it's the next day, but as you can see, the exhaust is on. You can see it go under, and you don't see it just dangling under the truck anymore. So we got the exhaust on. So I'm gonna set you guys up and I'm gonna start it. Oh, and another thing, I did figure out the power draw issue. One of the batteries was dropping voltage. It was a bad battery, even though it was a new battery, so I got a new one replaced. So hopefully that issue is done. But let's give you guys a cold start. It's been sitting all night and it's already in the afternoon, so let you guys see that. Oh yeah, I'm happy. And yes, the voltage was after starting it, I just put the brand new batteries in, just under 12 volts after starting. So it was like 11.8. So I think that fixed the issue. Man, I'm pretty stoked. But I don't think I showed you guys this. I didn't do a video on it, but I got Cover King custom seat covers. They're like neoprene, so they're super cheap. But I mean, whatever. But covers the interior very nicely. It fixed these seat issues that they just had. So it looks like a million times better. But yeah, all right. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you like this type of content, you want to see more stuff that I'm doing to this dually, comment down below, let me know. Hit the subscribe button if you're interested in what we do, and like this video to push it out to more people. Have a good one. Peace.